Hey everyone, and welcome into the fastest 2 minutes in auto repair. You've got the rundown with Kevin and Tony. Tony, let's go ahead and take it away.
Let's get right into it. Hot topic. The Auto Care Fact Book just came out, and I see that we're actually beating expectation. What's your hot take on what's causing that?
Yeah, so we might be a little bit under in RO creation, but we're definitely higher in ARO, so average repair order. If you look at the last 4 years, we've gone all the way from $494 up to $571. Biggest key there, digital vehicle inspections. Make sure you're adopting it. Make sure you are inspecting 100% of those vehicles.
With that, DV, I am curious, how much EV traffic are we seeing in shops today?
EVs becoming more popular all by the quarter. We're seeing about a 1% increase in overall EV VIN decoding volume every single quarter. A lot of that being driven specifically by tire purchases. So all those wheels and tires out there, great time to start stocking up on inventory. And since I brought up tires, and since we're talking about it, let's talk a little bit about those most popular search key terms that have been coming through on the SEO side of things.
So top 10 list, believe it or not, tire repair and tire rotation are coming in at 4th and 5th. Top of that list, we're going to see oil change, auto repair, and smog check. Bottom of that list coming in at 7 through 10 is car inspection, state inspection, and battery replacement. So always hot topics for shops.
With all those keywords, got to be a lot of competition out there. What are we seeing for cost per click?
Yeah, that's actually a big one as well. So over the last few years, we've actually seen a rise in cost of about 30% on keywords that shops are bidding on every day. So what's causing that? Dealerships are entering the space and more shops are getting savvy online to the point where we've seen our average budget increase from about $400 all the way up to $2,000 a month to remain competitive.
A lot more info coming your way, another 2 minutes as well. Thanks, Tony, for your time, and that was the rundown.